So today is gonna be a day. Let me tell y'all what's going on. So yesterday, I had a guest that had took the car to Arkansas, and then decided that he didn't want to return the vehicle. So he called Turo and lied and said the car wouldn't start. So Turo had to find somebody to go to Arkansas, tow the car, and bring it back to Texas. So all this started yesterday at 5 a.m. I didn't get somebody scheduled to go and tow the car until 10 a.m. He got there in Arkansas at 4 p.m. and didn't get back to Texas at 1 a.m. I went and got the car and I checked it. It's a mess, y'all. But you about to see.